Okay, so this is the ATC. It's the most basic type of belay device you can use. We teach you this first, mainly because this doesn't have any braking assist to it. A lot of people like to say auto lock, but that's not really accurate because sometimes it can fail. And if you don't know how to brake it yourself, then you can cause someone to fall. So first thing you do, go ahead and take the carabiner off, clip it to you. You don't need to hold on to it for this. On the device, there'll be pictures. The line actually represents the rope. So you have the climber side, which is the side that goes up all the way to them. Then you have the brake can side, goes in like that, then you clip it on. The big thing with those types of harnesses is, since it's a horizontal loop, the brake hand is going to face either left or right. Whatever side you're dominant with, you want it to face that way. The main reason for that is that's the hand you're most likely to clinch with if something happens. So when you're belaying, that hand only does one thing, and that's grab the rope. The other hand does everything else, and that's the one that will let go and move around all the time. So clip it in. This type of harness, it always faces down. This loop right here, I don't know if you mentioned it, is only for carabiners. You never tie the rope into this loop. So next thing, this is a gate locking carabiner, or a screw gate locking. Make sure you screw it shut. Don't crank it down. Only as tight as you can get with one finger is all you need. All it does is it physically blocks the gate from opening, and that keeps it from shock loading when you belay. The odds of you normally belaying out of the carabiner are pretty low, but if someone takes a fall, the shock from that can cause the rope to pop out, and instead of holding a fraction of the weight, 10%, 5% of the weight, now you're holding 50% of the weight during the fall. So lock it up like this. Mark, you want to tie in for me? Huh? You want to tie in for me? Yeah. Like I said, your dominant hand never leaves the rope under any circumstances the entire time you're belaying. So your other hand has to do all of the work. So, as he climbs up, I'm going to keep my left hand in this case up high, and the reason why is the weight of my arm will pull the rope down. As he climbs, the rope's going to start sagging on his side. The rope will start sagging on his side, and I won't notice it, but he will. So as I just put the weight of my arm, it will sag down. I'm going to reach straight out right in front of my face. Don't go way out here, don't go really high up, because then you'll have to go twice to take it in. Just go straight out in front of you. It's an easy place for your other hand to grab. Always grab on the open end of the rope, and then slide it back. Notice how when I push out, my hand stays vertical. It makes it easier to grab and not grab the wrong side of the rope. So just keep it like this. This arm, just pull straight down and lock. If at any point in time he falls, I'm going to throw my hand into my hip, and it's going to make these two ropes parallel. And doing that will actually dig the rope into the braking, or the friction teeth. If he at any point stops climbing, I don't want to sit there and wait like this, because if he falls, he can suck my hand into it. So if he stops climbing or slows down, I'm just going to bring my hand right back to here and then wait for him. You're not trying to pull him up, you're just using this as a safety. When he gets to the top, he'll say on you, and you're going to take as much as you can to pull the tension, lock it, and then slide up and have both hands on the brake. If they ever fall, you might as well put both hands on the brake, because this hand's going to be useless up here. I see a lot of people continue to hold like this, and they start to lower, and then this hand starts getting dragged up because you can't hold the weight of the person.